Hey babes, hi! I know it's been ages, it's been forever since you guys last saw me. Who am I kidding? I actually posted like 2 days ago. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the content so far. Today is a haul. I'm so excited because this is my first makeup purchase. It's not my first makeup. I used to purchase like makeup stuff from Target, but this is like my first purchase from Sephora. So I just thought, why not just make a video, you know? So I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be unboxing. No, I'm going to be showing you guys my Sephora purchases. So my husband and I, we went to Mall of America 2 days ago, and Mall of America is like the biggest mall in America, you know. So we went there. We actually went there to fix my laptop at the Apple store, but because there was no appointment available at that time, we decided to just look around. And you know, girls being girls, I landed at Sephora and got some items. So just a very quick story. The only reason I think I went to Sephora was because I wanted to buy a perfume that I saw somewhere, but I was having doubts about buying. So at that moment, I was like, yes, I want to buy it, I want to buy it. So I went, you know, got a bunch of items. So the first item that I got is the foundation. So for this foundation, I had the makeup job last week or last 2 weeks, and my client had this foundation and it's applied so beautifully on her skin, and I was like, I need to try this foundation. And if you guys know me, you guys know that I sleep, I eat, I dream, I pray Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I think I've used 3 bottles of that already. So I was like kind of like getting tired of it, even though I knew that was like one of the only foundations that really worked for my skin, but I wanted to try something new. And she hooked me up and she was like, oh, yo, this foundation is a really nice foundation, you know, what's not. So I was like, yeah, I'm definitely going to try it. So I went to Sephora and I got the Born This Way foundation. I know this foundation launched like 2 years ago, but yeah, I just wanted to try it out. Honestly speaking, after like watching all the reviews that I watched, I wish I didn't get it. I know that they have a new one. I wish I watched the reviews, but this was more of an instinctive, impulsive purchase rather than, because normally if I want to buy makeup, I would have started researching like months ago. But this one, I just went there and I was like, I want Born This Way foundation, match me up with my shade, and they gave me. So I didn't think twice about it, especially because of the price. Because if I had thought about it, I wouldn't have bought it because it's pricey for me. But I was like, I just cancelled my mind. I didn't want to think about it. I just wanted to pay and leave that place. So I didn't really think about it. So all the reviews that I've watched says it's best for dry skin, but here it clearly says oil free, meaning that an oily skin girl like me can definitely use it. But we wouldn't know until we try it out. The client that I was telling you about, she's actually dry skin, so maybe that's why the foundation was really good on her. God, please help me. I spent a lot on this foundation. I don't want it to go to waste, and I'm too. See, it's a distance from here to Mall of America. I cannot return this foundation because. So if you open it, it comes in a really cute pink and black and gold. Reminds me of P. Louise brand, but this is super cute. And yeah, it just looks like, is it there's this other brand that has a foundation in this kind of shape. I can't remember the name, but this is the one. It looks really cute, really cute. This is what the packaging looks like, and this shade is chestnut. This is the first time I'm seeing made in Canada. Most times I'm always seeing made in China. This is actually made in Canada. That's new. So this shade is chestnut, and I think chestnut is like my perfect shade. So, but we'll find out because I'm going to be doing a detailed review video, you know, of this foundation. I also wanted to get a new concealer. Up to now, I used to use the Urban Beauty concealer, which I absolutely love. If you guys haven't tried that concealer, it's really nice. It's really creamy, full coverage, and doesn't crease at all. I absolutely love that concealer. So I'm definitely going to buy more, but I don't know how I'm going to ship it to the US, but we'll figure that out later. But I went and I bought this concealer. So this is the Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. My client did mention that the concealer is absolutely nice, and I used the Urban Beauty on her, and she comparing it, she said this was definitely better. So I was like, gotta try it as well. So I bought this, and this is in the shade, this shade is called Cookie. So let me just swatch that. I just remember that I didn't swatch the foundation, and I like that it comes with a big doe foot applicator, so you don't have to constantly dip severally for you to get an ample amount, which is great, honestly. This is what the concealer looks like. It's like that shade of Urban Beauty. So let me get the Urban Beauty. Yeah, so this is Urban Beauty, the concealer that I was telling you guys about. So let's see, swatch them side by side. Okay, so Cookie is definitely lighter. So the dark one is Nuban Beauty and the light one is Cookie, Born This Way Cookie. So I'm just going to go ahead and just rub. Okay, now let's use another finger to rub this. I think the consistency are both the same full coverage that I love. If anything, I think the Born This Way has better coverage. I haven't tried it on my face, but just based on the swatching I just literally did now, yeah, so that's where I'm basing my assumption. So I'm just going to clean this off. Okay, so let's swatch the foundation. You're supposed to swatch the foundation because you guys want to see how it looks like on me. So I was also torn between buying this or the is this the there's this 24-hour Estee Lauder's foundation, yeah, but the lady told me this was better, so you know. So I'm just going to open it this way just because I haven't decided if I'm going to return it or not. This shade is darker and it's red and the consistency is runny. It's not as thick as the, but I think it blends well. It's dark, but me personally, I would rather my foundation be dark than for it to be too light, because if it's dark you can easily just highlight, contour. By the time you do both of that, your face will look balanced. But if your foundation is too light, there's no way for you to correct it, you know. So I'm gonna be doing a detailed video reviewing the Born This Way foundation. It's gonna also include a wear test and what my first impressions are, so definitely look out for the video. I think it's gonna be the next one after this video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. The next item I bought is this Perfume Sun Plus. So I saw this, and because I actually bought a perfume, which is the Lancome, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well, Vie Est Belle or something. This perfume, it's really nice. It's really, really nice. So, and I really wanted to buy more perfumes, but they were so pricey. Like this one is $99, so you can imagine buying the same amount for like 3 perfumes. So I was like, why not just buy a sample so you can go I can go try it out and see if there's any scent or fragrance that I really like. So when I'm done with this, which won't be anytime soon because I'm going to mice it, I'm going to savour it very well, because that $99 that came out must not waste. Okay, so these are samples. Even though it kind of looks different from what they have here, I was expecting it to be taller, you know, like those taller sample bottles, but they are pretty small. So yeah, so this one has it has the names written here: Ellis Broccoli meets perfume, then Mason Magilla, I'm not sure if I'm getting the pronunciation well, then Marc Jacobs Daisy. So I actually wanted to get this Marc Jacobs Daisy, but I'd already had my mind set on getting this Lancome, so I was like, nah, get what you want to get. Then Miu Miu and Prada and then Valentino. So those are the 6 samples here, so I really like it for me to test out and see if I like it or not. Now the next item I actually wanted to get a new primer. I currently use the Ewaron Care primer, which is like the best primer for oily skin. I'm not even kidding you guys. So but I wanted to try something new, so I saw this and then it says grip primer. That was what even caught my attention. It said hydro grip primer, so it basically, from the name I assumed, okay, it's gonna hydrate and also grip your foundation. What a silly thought. Hemp-derived cannabis extract hydrates to plump and smooth for blissed out skin. Grip It, a shot of blue agave holds wake up all day for a super fresh finish. It's basically a primer. So this is the small size. They had the big size, which was a little bit pricey, so I didn't want to spend that much money on something that I wasn't so sure about. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to be doing a review, and if I like it, I'll definitely go and get more. In fact, I think I'll be doing a comparison video with this and my favorite primer to see which is better. And because my birthday is past, they gave me a present. So this is the gift they gave me, and it has the Milk. So this product is called the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer for face, and then this one is their happy birthday gift. So this has the hydro milk thingy, which is this one that I bought, and then it has this blush and lip cream. It's like a lipstick, but I also use, I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that I use my lipstick sometimes to as blush. So this is really good, and I really like the shade. It's like a nude. Oh, it's not even showing that much. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, like a mauve. There was also the Milk Push mascara. So this is what it looks like. I think I should add this to the package I'm sending to my sister because I already have enough mascara. It smells like mascara. Oh, I'm gonna do makeup. Okay, it looks really nice already. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I didn't even apply that much, but I can see my eyes already popping. I think I'm gonna keep it to myself. Sorry, sis. So this is $15. This is $99. The perfume samples was $25. The concealer, the Toofaced concealer, is $30, and this is $40. And there was one last thing that I got. This. And the only reason I got this was because of the lip injection. I have seen Miss Aliyah J on YouTube rave about this maybe 2 years ago. I don't know if she still uses it, but she talked about how amazing it is. And I can testify to the fact that it's really good. It instantly plumps your lip. It's like having a lip injection, but no lip injection. Because so I think this stuff is infused with some peppermint oil, essential oil or something, which is known to, so when you apply it, you're going to feel this tingling sensation as if you applied pepper, and after a while you're just going to feel your lips becoming softer and airy, like swollen, but not in a bad way, like plump. Yeah, that's the word. Plump is positive, swollen is negative. So that's why I got this. And this is the sample. No, this is not the sample size. This is, I don't know, you know how Sephora has, they combine like products together, like the small sizes, just so you can test it out, which is something I wish Nigerian company and beauty brands can do something like this. This concealer, this is a mascara. I haven't tried this mascara, but it's Damn Girl. So yeah, I think I'm gonna really like this. Oh, look at that. This is really nice. This is really nice. Damn, girl. Can you see the difference? This is where I applied, and this is where there's no mascara. It kind of like lifted my eyes, sort of. So this one is $19. So you see what I said about them being nice, because just the lip injection is $29 and the mascara I think is like $20. So that would have cost more, but they give a sample so that you test it out, and if you like it, you go and buy more. But it's a paid sample, it's not free. Yeah, that's basically everything. And then I got this their insider sign up thingy. Yeah, I think that's basically everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing another video. We went to Egan Outlet, which is like another mall, mini mall, definitely not as big as the Mall of America, where they sell things at a very good price, like discounts. So like all those major outlets like Nike, Adidas, all those brands, they have like their outlets there where they sell at very discounted prices. So we went there, we got some items as well. I don't know if I should do a video on that. Let me know if you're interested, if you want to watch that, because most of the items we got there were clothes and shoes. Yeah, 2 shoes and mostly clothes. So if you want to see that, let me know down below, comments, you know, and I'll know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've tried any of these products that I just showed you guys, let me know, so that, you know, it can ginger me to try them. My favorite is definitely this, because I've been dreaming about this perfume for a while, but $99 is not small money. So I was like, but yeah, it's a good investment, because before I bought it, I had them spray like a spray, you know, when you go to buy perfume. I don't know about Lagos, because Lagos people, they don't have sense, but here when you go, they spray the perfume on paper for you to perceive. And I had that paper till the next day or the second day, and the fragrance was still very much there, which is something I really look out for when I'm purchasing. When I want to purchase any perfume, they need to be long lasting. And a key note, when you're buying perfumes, make sure it says Vie de Perfume. Those ones have higher concentrates of the fragrances than Vie de Toilette or Toilette. So make sure you're getting the Vie de perfume. Okay, so with that said, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Like this video, share with your friends, and love you guys. Bye.